Stairs, steps, and curbs. What do they have in common? Ever feel like you don't have the time, money, or equipment to work out? What if I told you that some of the best exercise equipment is literally right at your feet? Stairs, steps, and curbs. Those ordinary features you walk past daily can transform into a powerful fitness tool. With just a bit of creativity, you can turn these everyday structures into your personal gym. Picture this. You're running late, and the idea of squeezing in a workout seems impossible. The gym is miles away and your equipment is gathering dust. But as you step out your front door, the solution is right there. A set of stairs, a few steps, or even a curb. These common features can provide everything you need for a full-body workout. And you can do strength, cardio, and balance exercises on these steps. The conflict is familiar. Modern life is busy, and finding time for fitness can feel like an uphill battle. But the beauty of stairs, steps, and curbs is that they're everywhere, and they're free. No membership fees, no travel time, just you and your determination. Here are 10 exercises you can do. Step-ups. Strengthen your legs by stepping up and down on a step or curb. Stair climbing. Boost your cardio and tone your legs by running or walking up and down stairs, or, take 2 steps at a time. Calf raises. Use the step to elevate your heels and work those calf muscles. Lateral step-ups. Engage your thighs by stepping up sideways. Incline push-ups. Target your chest and arms with hands on a step. Decline push-ups. Challenge your upper chest by placing your feet up on a step. Box jumps. Build explosive power by jumping onto a step. Single leg balance. Improve stability by balancing on one foot on a curb. Tricep dips. Sculpt your arms using a step for dips behind your back. Stair lunges. Tone your lower body by lunging forward with one foot on a step or two. The payoff? A versatile workout that's right outside your door. With stairs, steps, and curbs, you can stay fit, save time, and keep excuses at bay. Your next workout is as close as your nearest step. Go for it. Please subscribe and like this channel. Thanks.